Hello everyone and welcome to our alterations video. Today we'll be showing you how to take up the hem of a trouser to reduce the length. The materials that we require for this are a seam ripper, a measuring tape, a bright colored thread for rough tacking, a thread matching our trouser, some dress pins, and a tailor's chalk. First, turn the trousers inside out. Using a tailor's chalk, mark the length that is required. Then, mark a 2-inch seam allowance. This is going to be our new hemline. Draw both lines and cut along the bottom line. Fold along the new hemline and iron it flat. Now fold the seam allowance in half and pin it up using our dress pins. Take a brightly colored thread and do a rough running stitch or a tacking on the edge. After we have tacked the edge, sew it with a sewing machine along the edge. Now we have done a double row of machine stitching along the edge and we can remove our rough tacking using a seam ripper. Now this is the new finished hemline as you can see. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and share our video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Thanks for watching our video.